This is a Max Kaiser coin.
Yeah.
It's Max Kaiser, it's silver. See how it tarnishes a lot easier?
Yeah.
Like this is nickel, but these are...
Like, you know, the silver coins we got, they're in those plastic cases because of that.
That's the sound those make. And then what's the sound that this makes? What do we need? 3/4? No, 2/4. So you have 2/4? 1/4, 2/4. Say, and then 1 dime, 2 dimes. It's the same thing almost then. Take this out, put this on the side. Here, drop all that.
Yeah, you hear the difference?
Hear that?
We're gonna have to try that with those 50-cent pieces. And we'll see. Curious. Yeah. Well, there's probably like 20 of them.
It's garbage, eh? It's freaking hilarious. It's all junk. Ooh, 67. Well, that might be nickel.
I have a rabbit one.
Oh, hear that?
I lost it.
That's because of the cuts, maybe.
You lost it?
Remember that rabbit one that guy gave me?
Yeah, the guy from the coin shop.
You can have a rabbit one.
What do you say?
Merry Christmas. I say Merry Christmas every day of the year except on December 25th.